Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Guess what? It is. Say it's your birthday. It's my birthday too. Day 8. Let's see my gift. Day 8. Kind of hard. Let's see. Here we go. It's another flag. Trick or treat. Wipe your feet. So funny. These are cute. So this is day 8. Trick or treat. Wipe your feet. That's cute. I can't believe this was $5 at one time. That's just crazy. No, I love it. Trick or treat. I will be so decorated up next year, I tell you. Between Christmas, I got a lot of fall stuff. And I even got a Rubbermaid, just put fall stuff. And now trick or treat. Wipe your feet. That's cute. Thank you, Sabrina. I love it. Guys, go check out what Sabrina got from me. As always. Thank you, Sabrina. I hope you enjoyed bingo last night. I had fun doing it. And I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.